So we start off today's video with this gorgeous bob haircut transformation. Her hair color is absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful copper shade, and I am loving this angled bob style. The stylist also put a gorgeous wavy texture throughout her strands, and this is right on trend for this season. As you guys already know, we're seeing plenty of textured hairstyles. Beautiful transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hot styling options and ideas that you can wear this spring season. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new style, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have the stylist doing yet another bob. Followed by the infamous curtain bangs and layered hairstyle. Now, if you're looking for a simple yet modern change to your long strands, this is a great option to try out. And then we see someone go from a bob to a gorgeous pixie. Next up, we have another bob haircut. The stylist is also mixing in some color for this one. Wow, vibrant bright orange. And of course, orange is another hot hair color that you can try this season, along with this bold red. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving the wavy texture for that one as well. And then we move into another hot hair trend that is, of course, the split dye. So this actually features two trends in one, the split dye as well as the contrasting color trend. The stylist is also putting in some tape and extensions for some added length. Loving this hairstyle. Next up, we see someone that go from a bob haircut to another gorgeous pixie style. And then we see this stunning bob haircut transformation. This one does feature an undercut as well as a design going in the back. I love when I see undercuts that feature design. They just look so edgy and modern. And they really add a nice twist to the hair overall. And then we move into another long to short transformation. Beautiful mid-length haircut with bangs. Nice, simple, effortless style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today and you were able to get some hair inspiration. If you were, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I will of course see you in the next video.